Sunshade streaming media. Rearview mirror, highly recommended product for your driving safety and convenience. This electronic mirror replaces the original traditional mirror. It comes with a touch screen, and all functions can be accessed by just touching it. It has a wide-angle field of view and can display road conditions in multiple lanes behind your vehicle in real time. With the light sensor, it adjusts the screen brightness automatically according to the ambient light level to improve your visual comfort. Equipped with a Sony sensor that supports starlight night vision, it enables drivers to see road conditions that are invisible to the naked eye at night, and it cut down glare when there are vehicles behind you with bright headlights. The rear camera is structurally waterproof IP68 so that the driver can clearly see behind the car even when it rains. The system features a DVR function that can record videos from both the front and rear of the vehicle while driving. When your vehicle is parked, it initiates time-lapse recording at 1 frame per second, helping to capture potential accidents over long periods of time. Why is the electronic mirror designed as a separate structure? Because the view of integrated front camera is often blocked by some parts of the vehicle. We can solve this problem by installing the front camera separately in the front position. Sunshade electronic rearview mirror will be your reliable safety companion.